Hello! This video will provide step-by-step instructions for using Kanopy to watch movies and shows for free. Did you know you have access to free unlimited viewings of streamed videos and popular series with your Chester County Library card? Where can I access Kanopy? You can access Kanopy through the Tredyffrin Public Library website or by downloading the Kanopy app. These are the Kanopy guidelines. You can watch an unlimited number of shows or videos on Kanopy. Any in-county Chester County Library card in good standing can access Kanopy. You can create personalized playlists, watch lists, and continue watching where you left off. You cannot use Kanopy without internet connection. You cannot access if your card has expired. You cannot access if your account has fines over $10, and you cannot access Kanopy with an out-of-county library card. You will need your Chester County Library card to use Kanopy. This is a 14-digit number you can find on the back of your library card. If you need assistance with finding your library card number, please send an email to the reference desk at tpl@ccls.org or call 610-688-7092 extension 212. Step 1. Access the Tredyffrin Library website. Open a browser on your computer or device and type the following address: www.tredyffrinlibraries.org. That's www.tredyffrinlibraries.org. You can also scan the QR code in the bottom right corner of the screen with your phone or device. Step 2. Access the databases on a computer. Once you are on the Tredyffrin Library website, click the word Explore near the top of the screen. It is circled in orange with a green arrow on this screen. Next, find the Books and More heading. Then, look down the list and click on the word Databases. This is also circled in orange next to a green arrow. If you are using a phone or device, look for the word Menu in the top right corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap the word Explore. Look for the Books and More heading and then tap Databases. These are steps circled in orange next to green arrows. Step 3. Search for Kanopy. Click on Databases by name. This is circled in orange on the screen. Now you will see an alphabetical menu, and this is a quick way to search for the database you are looking for. Click or tap the letter K for Kanopy. Step 4. Connect your card. After tapping the letter K in the previous step, you will be directed to a short list of databases beginning with the letter K. Tap or click on Kanopy. Next, tap or click on Get Started in the red rectangle. On the next screen, tap or click on Find a Public Library. Under the text Find Your Public Library, enter Chester County Library System. Then click or tap the word Select when that name appears. On the next screen, enter your library card number in the box under the text Library Card Number. Click Continue. Step 6. Create your account. Complete the form by entering your first name, last name, email address, password, and then confirm your password. You will also need to check the small box confirming you are over 18 years old. You are ready to tap Start Watching Now in the red rectangle. Step 7. Browsing. You will see a screen with several boxes or cover images that have pictures and titles. Each represents a movie or series. Please note that the options are organized by categories. On this screen, the categories are Most Popular, Recently Added, and Comedy Series, and they are circled in green. Additional categories are available by scrolling down. To watch a movie or series on a computer, click anywhere on the box or cover image. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of the image to add additional details about the film or to add the film to your watch list. Once a selection is made, you can play the film by clicking the triangle in the red box. You can add the film to your watch list by clicking the plus sign. You can watch a trailer of the film by clicking the word trailer in the rectangle. If you click the three dots to view additional details, you will see a view similar to the lower rectangle box on this screen. You can click on any underlined word to see similar films. If you are using a phone or device, you will also see boxes or cover images, but the layout might look slightly different. To make a selection, tap anywhere on the cover image. On the next screen, you can play the film by clicking the triangle in the red box. Add the film to your watch list by clicking the plus sign. Watch a trailer of the film by clicking the word trailer in the rectangle. Kanopy has a helpful toolbar you can use to search for films. Click the word Browse at the top to see a list of categories or genres. Click on any of the words to see items in that specific category. Another option on the toolbar is Lists. When you click on this word, you can click Continue Watching to see films you paused mid-view. Or click My Watch List to see films you have saved to your watch list. You can also search for titles on the toolbar. Click on the word Search and type the title into the box that says Search. As you type, suggestions of films will show on the screen. In addition, you will see a list of filters appear on the left side of the screen. Click on the filters you want to apply to your search. For example, the filter Most Popular has been selected, and it is now in a white box as shown here. Kanopy has a selection just for kids' movies and shows. To view these options, click on the word Kids next to an image of a puzzle piece near the top right corner of the screen. It is circled in green on the top image here. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the words that say Click here to set parental controls. This is optional. When you are ready, you can click on the red rectangle that says Start Watching. You will see the boxes cover images that represent movies and series just like in the regular selection of Kanopy. To leave Kanopy Kids, click the rectangle that says Exit Kanopy Kids. This will take you back to the regular Kanopy site. In the top right corner of Kanopy, you will see your name when you are logged in. When you click your name and then My Account, you can review your information, linked libraries, and parental controls. Click on Link Device to connect another viewing option, such as a TV or Roku, using a code that will appear on the device screen. Understanding the toolbar on a mobile device. Tap Browse on the lower section of the screen. A menu will appear with categories. Tap on any of the words listed to see items in that category. To search for a title on a device, tap the Search button at the bottom of your screen. Then enter a title in the search bar. As you type, suggestions of films will show on the screen. Tap the three lines under the search bar to enter Filters. Touch on a filter term to apply it to your search. Terms with a white box have been applied. Click on My Lists at the bottom of your device's screen. Tap Continue Watching to see films you paused mid-view. Tap My Watch List to see films you have saved to your watch list. To view Kanopy Kids on a mobile device, tap the three lines in the lower right corner above the word More. Then tap Go to Kanopy Kids. Tap Start Watching. Tap a box or cover image to begin viewing a movie or series. To go back to the regular Kanopy website, tap the three lines above the word More in the lower right corner. Then tap Exit Kanopy Kids. To see your account on a device, tap the three lines above the word More in the lower right corner. Then tap Link Device to connect another viewing option, such as a TV or Roku, using a code that will appear on your mobile device. Tap Settings to adjust the use of cellular data, video quality, closed captions, and parental controls. Congratulations, you accessed and explored Kanopy. We're here to help. If these steps did not work for you, or if you have questions, please contact the reference desk by calling 610-688-7092, extension 212, or send an email to tpl@ccls.org.